Hello everybody, I want to show you a device which I bought in my country eBay. That is how it looks like after unpacking. Very interesting device. When I see it I wanted to buy it immediately. And the glass of this voltmeter is moving. Probably it was because of transportation. But apart from that it looks okay. That's how it looked at the internet where I bought it, and it was said that it is unknown whether it's working or not, and the price is $10. Very cheap, for my opinion. That is in the closer look. The plug is, I don't know what standard it is, I've never seen it before. One pin is bent. Let's try to measure some resistance. We have an probably after transformer, also known as variac, at the input, and we should see some resistance, and we have it at those contacts. So probably the variac itself is okay, but I don't know why I don't see anything at the phase and neutral. That's strange. Let's proceed with diagnostics. I don't think that device was working when it was sold, because $10 even for that old device is very cheap. Here is a switch, automatic switch, 15 amps, which is circuit breaker, very old circuit breaker, made in USSR. Probably when we turn it on I will see some resistance at the input. Let's check it together. And now I switch it back and forth and no resistance. Probably some fuse has blown, or maybe something inside get loose, but we will see. I'm gonna open it, see what's inside. That's the main reason why I bought it, to take a look. Here is a screwdriver, a proper one, proper with size and age, and that's the inside. Variac, two similar transformers connected in parallel, I think, and that's it actually. And the circuit breaker, also a switch, and the diode bridge without any capacitors. So I think it was probably used for charging batteries. That's the earth, protective earth. And now I connected it to the earth, and I don't know why, but I don't have a connection. That is strange. And what about here? And here I actually have the connection. I don't know why, but the pin that is labeled as the earth is connected to the switch. That's strange. Maybe it was made on purpose, done on purpose. Let's check the switch itself. And it's not actually conducting any electricity. So maybe that was the reason why they sold it. So let's check the switch. Disconnect the wires. That switch can be opened. It's not switch, as I said, it is automatic circuit breaker. Let's open it. Remove 2 screws. Remove the cover. That's the inside. It is very rusty and pretty rugged, but very rusty. I don't even understand how it worked. And probably the contact on the right, this one is got loose, and that's why we don't have the contact. It was welded, I think. That's the spark. I don't know how to say it. Arc distinguisher, something like this. It's not copper, it's iron with some copper, some very old copper layer. I'm not gonna restore this circuit breaker, it is beyond repair. I think I will remove everything, maybe I will put a switch inside it after. And this contact, very thick one, is silver, as you can see. It's not magnetic. I checked the internet, checked information, and the switch contains about 2 grams of silver. That's silver, pure silver, as you can see, and it was made in 1970, so 40 years old. It's quite a lot. Okay, I remove some silver. I will show you under the microscope. That is copper covered with silver, as you can see. Quite nice to look at it through the microscope. And that's the pure silver. Not pure, it's technical silver, maybe it's not pure, I don't know, but it looks nice to me. The grains, as you can see, the copper bottom and the silver at the top, at the left side. Here it is shiny. Pretty nice. I like it. I'm not gonna throw the silver away. I will keep it. Maybe I will use it somewhere. I've seen a video where a man was covering his soldering iron with silver. There is some other material, bronze, I think. That's the copper with some silver on it. Maybe somebody would be interesting how much weight it was. That is silver and copper, I think in half, 50-50, and that's the pure silver. That's it. And I forgot about this piece of silver. I will try to break it, and that's how it looks like. I just broke the copper, and that's the pure silver. Let's check it, the weight, and so I think about 1 gram with something is silver. Anyway, I remove the voltmeter. I will restore it, glue the glass back before I have to remove 4 screws, just like this. There is some seal, original 40 years old seal. That is the inside. I will check it, connect some voltage, and it is kind of working, but the needle is stuck a little bit. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to fix analog voltmeter, so I put a digital one. I could put this one with a meter, but I already have a meter here, so I put this one. Also, in order to power the voltmeter, I'm gonna put this old charger, which I have a lot laying around. I'm gonna put it like this because I have plenty of space here, so I can put everything I want. Also, I added a capacitor at the output of those diode bridge in order to smooth the voltage, 35 volts, 4700 microfarads. I think that should be enough. Also, I found that this cable is broken. I'm gonna fix it. This would go to the lamp. And this is the old circuit breaker. As I said, it was 25 amps, quite a lot for that device, and that's why I'm gonna put a circuit breaker for amps just like this, using the old housing. As I said, I have a lot of space. That would be okay. I put this inside, solder it the power supply. Now it is quite solid. Wear rack is solid as well. I added some hot glue just in case. Why not to use it? And we are ready to test actually under some load. Okay, here I connected the light bulb, 12 volts, 60 watts. Now let's lower the voltage like so. Turn it on. As you can see, on the left side lamp is glowing. Let's turn it on, and this is the output, 36 volts alternating current. And now I turned on regulating voltage, which goes through variac. Here we always have 230 actually. And this is the variable voltage. You can see it on the voltmeter on the left up corner and on my multimeter. So the maximum is 258. When at the input we have 234. And as you can see, 6 volts lamp also getting brighter and darker when we increase the voltage. Now I put it to the 12 volts. Also look at the current. Now it is 3, 4, and that's the maximum current at 17 volts, 17 with something, 4 amps. Okay, everything is working. Now I'm gonna find some higher load to check it at the maximum and see what this lab power supply can do. I think I'm gonna find some resistor, a powerful one like this. 2 resistors, 100 watts. They can dissipate 100 watts each, so 200 watts with no harm. Okay, let's turn it on. First 6 volts, and at the 6 volts it is supplying about 5 amps. The resistance is about 1 ohm, I suppose, or maybe less. Yeah, so 10 amps, 7 volts. So, and it's not the full voltage. Of course, if there would be another load, it would be another voltage, another current. But I think it can supply quite easily about 150 watts, maybe 200 watts. Anyway, that's the video. I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumb up. See you next time. Bye.